Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Wednesday, October 27th. Another day of consolidation. Markets were quiet. Again, a lot of earnings this week to go through. E-mini S&P ended up finishing down 2 points at 2060.5. Dow futures down 18 at 17,513. So we saw lower highs and lower lows than we did on Monday. The Nasdaq continues to fight the trend, positive once again, so we had mixed markets on the day yesterday. Nasdaq up 16 points, within 50 points of the all-time forever highs. The close yesterday was 46.32. Currencies are extremely quiet. 96.99 in the dollar index, up 4. The euro currency was down 3, 110.50 after this unwinding, the sell-off, this surge the sell-off in the euro and the surge we've seen in the dollar. The action in the euro currency yesterday was less than 50 points, or I guess 50 points, 110.86 to 110.37. So that is just at the 50-point level. The bond market up 16 at 158.17, stuck. It's amazing how much we talk about interest rates and how much rates have just stalled at these levels here over the last month or so. 158.17 is where we stand in treasuries, up half a point, as the stock market saw a little bit of selling for most of the day, but ended up closing relatively unchanged. The mover of the session was crude oil. Crude oil made new 2-month lows yesterday, below $44 a barrel. 44 had held as a support point about 5 times over the last month or two. Did break below that. 43.20 was the close, down 80 cents. The low on the session was 42.60, so some new relative lows, but the multi-year lows down below are down at 37, so we still have some room to go before it hits that hard support. Gold, nothing, unchanged on a daily basis, 1166. Muted session there as well, 1169 high, 1160 low. And again, that can be attributed to the lack of movement in the currencies. Without the dollar moving, you don't have much for gold to feed on. So after a bit of backing off yesterday, where do these markets stand on this Wednesday morning? We're getting a bit of a bounce here, up 4 points in the E-mini S&P, 2064.5. Up 24 points in the Dow futures, 17,537. And leading the way again, up 14 in the Nasdaq, 46.5, closing in on the all-time forever highs. The dollar down 17, staying below 97 at 96.82. Euro currency staying above 110, 110.71, up another 21 points. Bonds, treasuries, 158.05, down 10 ticks. The yields are staying flat. 286 in the 30-year, 205 in the 10-year note. Staying above 2%, but not making much of a recovery in that highly watched Treasury note. We're seeing crude oil right now up 40 cents at 43.60, and gold getting $7 at 11.73. So to wrap up this current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, a little bit of firmness in the stock indexes, up 4 in the S&P, up 24 in the Dow futures, and up 14 in the Nasdaq 100. I will see you early Thursday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.